This video is something a little bit different. This is my best performing videos, one of my best performing videos, 10 million views in 2 years. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much this video's earned, why it earned what it did, and maybe why the video went so well. Maybe because of this bit right here, this satisfying little bit coming off the corner there. Ooh, people love to see that. They love it. People comment about the big gap between the ceiling and the cornice, and they comment. They don't like it. It triggers people. So this video, first I'm going to show you a little bit about the video, then we're going to go into the numbers, okay? And then when we can compare to a couple of other videos, which I've put aside for you guys. So we're just showing people how to do something, all going well. And then we get straight into the painting of the same cornice that we just put up. 1:49 in. So we showed you a nice little satisfying bit at the start. We put the cornice up. 1.5 minutes in, we're starting to spray. So the video is kind of moving. I'm just comparing it to my regular videos, which are dull and boring and long and slow. But this one, it went really well, and I'm trying to figure out why did this go well. So I started with action straight away. You know, straight into some kind of action, walking through, starting it with a quick edit. Got some music, got a little bit of talking here. We put it up. We paint it. We keep painting. Still painting 4 minutes later. Okay, then 5 minutes in, we go to a trade store for some tools. Okay, so after that, we go and go into the tool store. I put some fuel in the car. Then we go and take this patio down. So I don't know if I'm showing a mix of things in this video, why it went well. That's gone. Back at the tool store, bought some tools, showed you my tools in the back of the van. There was a storm rolling in my house, bit of rain come down. Then I show you my swimming pool, which has fish in it. And then I show you like a nice, cute little frog. It had a bit of a variety of things compared to my normal videos, which is just like one thing. I added a few different things in. I started off with a bit of a hook. You know, that nice satisfying bit at the start. So let's see how this went. It's a 10 million view video 2 years ago. How did it go? All right. $5,556. Let me move that over for you so you can see. Move your head. There we go. Above my head here. $5,556. Depending on where your viewers are watching from and how much advertisers pay for ads on your videos, greatly changes how much your video is going to pull in, as in money. This video, average view duration 1 minute, average percentage of the video was viewed 13.3% all the way through. So only like 2% of people got to the end of the video. Most people, well, 55% of viewers are still watching around the 30-second mark. So they probably only sat through one ad here because the average view duration is 1 minute. Okay, only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for mid-roll ads during the video. This is 1 minute off, 1 second off. That's interesting. Maximum amount of time for one ad to be shown. Go back here to the analytics. I wanted to show revenue and how it stacks up. This is the key part here. Revenue for every 1K views, 58 cents, which is not very good at all. So I can guess a lot of these viewers are from countries, 15% USA, but let's have a full look at the list. Okay, Russia, India, Brazil. These are 3 countries that don't pay a lot. Okay, you got Australia right down there, Canada right down there, 1.6%. USA only 15% Russia got half the amount of views USA did. Okay, if we took out Russia, India, Brazil, it'd be a lot higher. If all the views from Russia were from the USA, this video would pay a lot better. For 10 million views, $5,000. So let's look at another video that performed a little different, had a different audience, had more than one ad in there. This is a simple video, tips on how to tape and mud your drywall ceiling. So with that title, we got a lot of people come from search, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm just showing you how to, bit of a crash course in taping a drywall ceiling. Okay, pretty simple, 10-minute video, 9 minutes 57. Hey, what up, Eugene? Eugene, give me a buzz. I got my motorcycle license. All right, let's look in the analytics here. Now, compared to the 10 million views, $5,000, this got 307,000 views and $3,300. And how did that happen? Well, a few little things. The average view duration, 3 minutes 42. Average percentage viewed, 37.2%. 77% of viewers are still watching around the 30-second mark. And what is interesting is, see, a lot of people come from search here. Tips on how to mud your ceiling. You're kind of answering a question with the title, aren't you? That's what I try to do a lot of my videos. This one is $10 rather than 50 cents like the other one. It's because the viewers, they're from United States, Canada, UK. You know, you got 50, 60, you got 70%. You got 70% from, you know, these first world countries that pay more for ads. So that's why as well. Also, if we look in the monetization, probably got multiple ads in here. Yeah, we got one at the 4-minute 11 mark. And what you can do, you can actually bring this closer. Drag this up. All right. I'm just going to save that. But anyway, that is it. We got another video here. Another one. Remove and replace new drywall ceiling fast. It's got 237,000 views 4 years ago. Okay, it's just me working in here, chipping the corners down, removing it all, putting a new ceiling up. Interesting that you can see this is the most viewed, like rewinded area, most replayed, I should say, area. I should really cut and start the video from right here. I should do that and test it out, see how that will work. Anyway, this is the kind of video. It's a 5-minute video, so obviously you can only stick one. You can't place any ads in the middle of it. But let's look at the analytics on this one as well. The view duration is going to be high. The countries are going to be USA, UK, Australia. 237,000 views, $3,000. Okay, if this had 1 million roughly, it would have $12,000 on there. If it had 10 million, it would have 120,000 compared to that original video, this original video. If it had this amount of views, it'd be 120,000 on there. 229, average view duration, average percentage viewed, 48.9. So most people are watching over halfway. They're all watching the ad. And if we just look at which country they're from, audience, United States, UK, Canada, Australia. There you go, 70. You know, 3/4 are all from those top countries, top paying countries. Okay. And the revenue for every 1K views is $12.94. This is Australian dollars too. And that's about it compared to the 50 cents for 1,000 views for my 10 million viewed video. These smaller ones do much better. So I hope that sort of cleared it up. If you're starting a YouTube channel or starting to do videos, what's important is don't focus on the money at all. Focus on what you enjoy doing Some niches pay more, like motivation and finance and health and fitness and beauty. They probably pay more than construction, how-to niched videos. But I'm not in beauty. I'm not in other different niches. This is my niche. It's what I enjoy doing. I'm already doing this, and I love doing it. I've done 2,000 videos, and I'm sure if I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't be anywhere near this amount of videos. So thank you very much for watching. I got a YouTube short that has got 50 million views. I don't know, a hell of a lot of views. And if you want to see how much money that made, write to me in the comments. Write to me in the comments if you're starting YouTube or something like that. Or write to me in the comments if you're in a drywall. But thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next video. I hope this helped.